Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more team death matches in COD Warzone Mobile. To do that, know the map well to anticipate enemy movements and spawn points. Coordinate with your team through voice chat or quick messages to plan strategies and call out enemy positions. Customize your loadout to suit your playstyle and the map dynamics. Use cover effectively to minimize exposure to enemy fire. Practice with different weapons to find the one that suits your best and master their recoil patterns. Stick with your teammates and support each other during engagements. Utilize flanking routes to catch enemies off guard and disrupt their formation. Prioritize confirming kills to deny the enemy points and gain an advantage. Use grenades strategically to flush out enemies from cover or clear out rooms. Secure key areas of the map to control the flow of the match. Choose a class that complements your team's composition and strategy. Listen for footsteps and gunfire to detect nearby enemies. Select perks that enhance your survivability and combat effectiveness. Be prepared to adjust your tactics based on the enemy's movement and strategy. Stay focused on the primary objective of eliminating enemy players while staying alive. Use health packs and regeneration wisely to sustain yourself during prolonged engagements. Learn the map layout to exploit its features for tactical advantages. Provide covering fire to suppress enemy movement and allow your team to advance. Use kill streak rewards strategically to turn the tide of the battle in your favor. And that's how to win more team death matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.